Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, let's create an informative tutorial on how to use a Python SSH client. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate using the paramiko library, a popular Python library for SSH communication. Python installed. Make sure you have Python installed on your machine. You can download it from Python's official website. Paramiko library. Install the paramiko library using the following command in your terminal or command prompt. Here's a simple example of how to use the paramiko library to connect to a remote server via SSH, execute a command, and retrieve the output. Import paramiko. Import the paramiko library, which provides the necessary tools for SSH communication. Create SSH Client. Create an instance of the SSH Client class from the paramiko library. Set host key policy. Set the host key policy to automatically add the server's host key. Note, this is insecure and should be handled differently in a production environment. Connect to the remote server. Use the connect method to establish a connection to the remote server. Execute command. Use the exec_command method to execute the specified command on the remote server. Read output. Read the standard output of the executed command and print it. Close connection. Close the SSH connection using the close method. Key authentication. In a production environment, it's recommended to use key-based authentication rather than password authentication for better security. Handling passwords. Avoid hard-coding passwords in your code. Instead, consider using a secure method for handling credentials, such as environment variables or a configuration file. Error handling. Implement proper error handling to catch and handle exceptions that may occur during the SSH connection. This example provides a basic understanding of how to use the paramiko library to create a simple Python SSH client. Depending on your use case, you may need to customize and enhance the code to meet specific requirements. ChatGPT.